You've managed tasks, led small teams, or handled projects informally, and now it's time to turn your skills into global recognition. PMP adds credibility to your name and opens doors to high-paying roles. You already have the experience. PMP turns it into authority. It tells employers, I'm not just doing the job, I've mastered the process. Step 2. Check if you're eligible. With your background, you probably already meet PMP's core eligibility. Option 1, bachelor's degree plus 36 months project experience. Option 2, high school diploma plus 60 months project experience. And yes, 35 hours of formal project management education or training is a must. You're halfway there, just need to gather the paperwork. Step 3. Choose the right study method. Now that you're committed, pick a study method that suits your pace. Live classes, online or in person, boot camps. On-demand video courses, flexible, self-paced. PMI-authorized partners are preferred. Choose based on your learning style. Visual, interactive, solo. Use your experience to connect the theory with real-life situations. Step 4. Master the content. This is where you dive into the core PMP syllabus. Since you already understand basic project handling, your focus should be on learning PMBOK 7 principles and performance domains. Mastering Agile and hybrid approaches. PMP now tests this heavily. Practicing mock exams and situational questions. Make a study plan, 1 hour a day, 5 days a week, and stick to it. Step 5. Apply smartly and take the exam. Once confident, gather your project experience details and apply on the PMI site. Be clear and honest in your application. Use formal project management language. Once approved, schedule your exam online or at a center. Revise smartly the last 2 weeks. Focus on weak areas. The PMP exam is tough, but with your experience and right prep, you've got this. And that wraps up our intermediate guide to cracking the PMP certification. If this helped simplify things for you, don't forget to like this video, share it with your fellow professionals, and of course, subscribe to the channel for more easy, step-by-step guides just like this.